Okay, Mr. Bright Answer, you said I should break this guitar West by Kofi Kinaata, Ghana Blasters within the. The key is E flat. You said you lay emphasis on the soca. Fa to do also is E flat. Fa G sharp major. Do E flat major. So that is the so is B flat or B flat 7. So here the soca goes like fa so ti do, so you can play it. Or ti do, that is so do. If you want to strike the chord, that is so do. So we can play it so do here, any so do here. So here, that is the soca. We are moving straight to the soca because he said we should do the soca. That is here we have the E flat here. So far. That is B flat, G sharp. Then we play. That's the first one. Fa, re, mi, do, re, ti, do, la, ti, so. That is duet. Re, do, ti, la, so. But he didn't play it like that. Re, do, ti, la, so. That is the first point. So far. Fa, re, mi, do, ti, re, do, la, ti, so. That's the first part. Then let's go to the second part. So that is mi. He moved to mi. That is so and mi, fa and re. So that is a scale there. Fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, mi, so. Fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, mi, so. So mi, fa, re, mi, do, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, mi, so. That's the second part. That is mi, do, re, la. So here, the second part. That is fa, re, then do, mi and do. So that's the fourth part. mi do re la, mi do re ti for so, mi do re la, mi do la 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 so fa mi re do fa mi re do ti. Second part, so is this do, then you move here. To here. So that is the other part. So because I'm not going straight with the copy, because copyright things, I don't have to play all the songs, so that when the copyright comes, I can sometimes remove the copyright. So let's play and listen to that part. So we will play, we will all play, you pause, we play, we play. Let's go. So let's do that. That is the octave. That is so to so. That is B flat no. Then so you remain this so. So far we need go so far. So that so far we need go so far. So if you remove this one, or let's put this one, the low note here, the B flat low note here. That is so far re mi do so far so far re mi do so far re mi do so far re mi do. That is that point. Then let's move to the other point. So let's do that. That is all. Re fa fa mi re do. Re fa fa mi re do ti la so fa. Again. Re fa fa mi re do ti la so fa. Re. So you ring. So we use one to play fa, and we use the other one to play the re here. That is the F note. Re. So that is all. Re fa fa mi re do ti la so fa. Re fa fa do ti la so fa mi re. Re fa fa mi re do ti la so fa. Re fa fa mi re do ti la so re. So the re stands for the whole so chord. Re fa fa mi re do ti la so fa. That is so. That is the whole note. So you can write it down. So then he come back and play the repetition again. So that's the first one. So let's do that. So to so. Then we slide this one so to la. So that is okay. But this one will remain the so, that is the B flat. Then this one. So that is that side. So the rest are the repetition. It is only the repetition. So I'm sure if you want to learn it, that I've called out the names, the chords, and everything. Follow the principles. You just follow the patterns, and it will be very easy for you to follow what I'm telling you. So don't forget to like the video, share, subscribe, right answer. You requested that I should do this one. You said, as for my boss, I know this one is very easy for you. Yes, it's not anything difficult for me that I cannot play, but nowadays I'm not been playing for other bands and as well, except singing for my song. So when learning this one, I'm just teaching you the process, because I will not be playing it anywhere. Maybe if I play, it will be in my room or my band. If I don't have program, then I will not play. So thanks for joining me. If you are new, please don't forget to like the video, share, subscribe to the channel, so that there are more lessons to come.